Hey guys, welcome back. Today is my actual last unboxing of Your Nail Lab. I have unsubscribed for a little while and I will be showing you what is in this month's box, which is for September, and I will also be announcing the winners of last month's giveaway. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so starting off this month, we got these cute little press-ons from Awesome Color, which is like Makartt's sister company or daughter company, but they are really pretty. Not only do they have the gold nails, but they also have like the gold little peekaboo. So cute. Everyone has been doing press-ons lately, and I'm definitely excited to try those out. Next, we have this nail decor. I don't know if this is like its own decor or if this is from a collection. I'm not really sure. To be honest with you, I'm a little disappointed that they didn't give us like any Halloween stuff, because I feel like they were always pretty good about sort of giving us stuff that we would use like the next month. But maybe because now we get them shipped out so early, you know, they're not doing that anymore. I just want to take these out of this package so there's not so much of a glare on it. All right, I really like these little sequins. I feel like that would be perfect for like a mermaid or like a bird look. Got some jewels down here. Obviously, the glitters are always something to like envy, and they are just divine. The stickers are kind of interesting. It's just sort of like a like a hodgepodge of stickers. So we've got stars. We've got some like white stars and like different shooting stars and whatnot. And then this one is more like constellation wise, which I might be using in my next video if it has anything that I can use on here. But yeah, those are cute. I always love like their stickers and their glitters. So next up on the polygel, we have got this pink sparkly one in Rebirth, and then Freesia. I actually don't think I own either one of these. I will swatch them for you, but I just want to show you what they look like in the tube, because this pink, it's like a jelly pink, but it's gorgeous. It's like a hot pink. And then this one is so pretty. It's like just a sparkly little like Barbie pink. Again, I will swatch them. Just give me one sec. And then we also got this jelly stamper and the little like swipe card. I don't actually have a lot of stamping plates. I do want to start getting some more. It is like completely see-through if you can tell on camera. And I mean, it's gorgeous, it's sparkly, it's beautiful, and you have, like I said, the little scraper. So maybe I need to invest in some more stamping plates, because let me tell you something, I see people doing like some crazy stuff with those and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So next we've got our gel polishes in this box. Obviously I had the polygel box again this month, so maybe at some point in time I'll sign up for like an acrylic box, because it did look like they got some more fun stuff in there. Now this says Crackle Purple. Does that mean that this is a crackle polish? I hope not, but you never know. It is this gorgeous dark purple that is like perfect for Halloween. And of course I got a beautiful green color, and this is in, oh my gosh, Exotic Express. I just can't read anymore, y'all. I'm really old. Like, these two colors just go absolutely wonderful together for Halloween, so I'm actually really excited about those. The pinks though, like I do have a pink look in mind, but like I don't know, I just don't know about it. And then I have another prep in one. I have like 4 of these by now, so I'm just like stockpiling them at this point. I really do like their prep, which is basically like their nail glue for their jelly tips, and you know, it's nice and thick and I do like it a lot, but I don't need that many bottles, so that will be in a giveaway at some point. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these guys, and then I will just show you everything all together and give my final thoughts. Okay guys, so here are the swatches. I'm kind of living for like the jelly pink, the purple, and the green as a Halloween look. I think that you could really make something out of that. Sorry Makartt, I did swatch this on the back of the box, but it's gorgeous. And the sparkly pink, I mean, yeah, you can't deny that that's a really pretty color. It's stunning. I hope it's coming off on camera as it is in person because it is really, really pretty. So the next thing that I wanted to show you were the gems in this box, specifically these ones. They are like Aurora gems and they are quite stunning. So I'm kind of obsessed with those guys too. So while we're here, let's go ahead and announce the winners. I keep saying winner, but the winners of the 2 Your Nail Lab boxes from last month. And they are, drumroll please. That was a really terrible drum roll. But anyways, they are Carolyn Parker and Stephanie Boyd. Thank you so much for being supportive to my channel, watching and commenting on that last video of mine. And please go ahead and be sure and email me. You can find my email address on the info tab of my channel page. And I will also have all of the details of how to get in contact with me listed below. I will also comment on your comment on the last Your Nail Lab video so that you have many chances to reach out to me and you know that I am trying to get into contact with you. With that being said, sadly, this is my last box. I did go ahead and make sure that it was canceled indefinitely. Well, not indefinitely, but for the time being. I just get a lot of PR and a lot of things, you know, in these boxes, and it's just way too much, which is why I will be having a few other giveaways. So stay tuned for that. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.